Dicking around and look what happens. $1.50 bet, dicking around. Wow. That's funny.
I was playing this machine, this person left. I was gonna say, let me put $10 over here for the hell of it. Fucking in, man.
Dicking around, catching this shit.
Give him another one. Give him another one.
Give me another major,
Give
right?
Another one.
I think it's done with me. Nope, mini too. Hey, give it everything. Throw the kitchen sink at it. 4 more. That'd be funny. 3 more. Nope. Crazy. That's funny. Good stuff.